The starburst bush, scientifically known as Clerodendron quadrilocular, is a tropical flowering plant native to Southeast Asia. Here's some information about it. Description: the starburst bush is a fast-growing shrub that can reach heights of 6 to 10 feet, 1.8 to 3 meters. It features large, glossy green leaves arranged in pairs along the stems. The most striking feature of the plant is its unique flowers, which resemble bursts of fireworks or stars, hence the name starburst bush. The flowers are clusters of bright red or pink tubular blooms with long white stamens extending outward, creating a dramatic and eye-catching display. Growing conditions: starburst bushes thrive in warm, tropical climates with well-drained soil and partial shade. They require regular watering to keep the soil consistently moist, but not waterlogged. These plants can be grown outdoors in tropical regions or in containers indoors in colder climates. Cultivation and care: propagation is typically done through stem cuttings, which root easily in a well-draining potting mix. Pruning can help maintain a compact shape and encourage flowering. Fertilizing with a balanced fertilizer during the growing season can promote healthy growth and abundant blooms. Uses: starburst bushes are prized for their ornamental value, adding a tropical flair to gardens, landscapes, and indoor spaces. They attract pollinators such as butterflies and hummingbirds, enhancing biodiversity in the garden. The vibrant flowers make excellent cut flowers for floral arrangements and bouquets. Cultural significance: in some cultures, the starburst bush is associated with themes of joy, celebration, and beauty due to its stunning floral display. It may also symbolize vitality, energy, and positivity, reflecting the vibrant colors and dynamic form of its flowers. Caution: while the starburst bush is prized for its beauty, it's important to note that all parts of the plant are toxic if ingested and can cause gastrointestinal discomfort if consumed by pets or humans. Therefore, it's advisable to plant them away from areas frequented by children and pets. The starburst bush is truly a remarkable plant, prized for its stunning flowers and tropical allure, making it a popular choice for gardens and landscapes in suitable climates.